Good evening, friends. Now we would start off with the descriptive analysis through Python. That's what I would say, and we will see how things are different from the other softwares that we are using it. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here I'm sharing the slides also, as well as the entire program code is also present, plus the implementation. How I'm doing it in Google Colab is also being showcased out here. So first and foremost, we would understand, I would be starting off with the Python descriptive statistics central tendency, okay, and using Python programming language. Now, what are the various functions that caters to calculate the central tendency? So first and foremost, I would be, rather than running the entire program or the code for mode, median, I'll be showcasing to you different ways in which you can go ahead and you can work and calculate the central tendencies as well as the dispersion or the spreads also. So here you will see that some without using I would say numpies, then there are those wherein you can print and you can calculate, then there are those wherein you can just get the values directly also. So here we go with the first code to calculate mean, and this is for the positive numbers. Now you see, when we our data consist of positives, negatives, and decimal points, fractions are also there. So Python in that way has given me the leverage to go ahead and use it. So right now I'm showcasing to you each one of them separately, and then we can see whether we have got the summaries and the descriptions just like the like in R we used to do it. So first and foremost, I'm starting off with mean for the positive numbers. Now let us see. Now in order to do the descriptive statistics, Python organization, you can go to their website. They have this Python statistics module is available. Now you see, one thing one needs to be very careful is that supposing you are looking at the tutorials, leaving Python organization, the home page of it, and some other web pages you are checking out, like data sciences, or you have got the other tutorials. There are so many schools, colleges also, I would say, who are running the Python, and there the packages that you're getting it, they would be using it. Now this keeps on changing, and that's why you have to keep on visiting to Python org in order to see what package and the I should say the syntax they are using in order to go ahead and do the calculations. For example, here in this case, first and foremost, we need to import pandas as PD. That's number one. And you need to be very careful with the coding also. It is case sensitive, space sensitive also. Then you have to go ahead, import statistics. Now in some websites, I have seen that the writers, the thinker, the data scientists, they were using, rather than statisticians, they started importing it as import statistics as ST, import statistics as stats and everything. No, it will not work. And later on, while dealing with the exceptions, now descriptive statistics, Python descriptive statistics, I should say, there are certain exceptional cases which they have highlighted in order to deal with the kind of the data that we are possessing. So we will see when I'll be coming up with the videos or the presentations from my side on those exceptional cases. So here it is simple one. So first and foremost, import pandas as PD. The second step would be import statistics. Now what do I mean by the statistic? This is the module and the properties that they're assigning as per the corrections and each and everything as they're discovering it. So the page that is present, you will see that the amazing one which I saw, and once I was dealing it, I understood what is happening at the background also. Here now I have randomly selected few numbers 1 2 3 5 7 9. I place them inside the square bracket, and this has been assigned to category, I should say, as nums. Randomly I have taken care of it. Then what I'm going to do it, I'm going to call it as statistics dot, that means from the package statistics I have to utilize the function called mean to calculate from the given numbers. So the other way round of saying is that I have got this set of numbers with me, I need to calculate mean in as it is showcased in the statistics module. So this is the interpretation how you're going to read the entire line and carry forward. So let's see how to run and check it out with the entire program also. So once you import, I mean the first step is import the pandas as PD. Be very careful, otherwise it will give you the syntax error. Then you have to go ahead and carry forward with what we call, and don't copy paste. Now in order, even if you are copy pasting, let's say from a PowerPoint, now this is a tip that I'm giving it to you. If you are copying it from the PowerPoint to the collab, it will not take it. So it is always recommended that yes, you have to copy from the PowerPoint into the text pad, or start using the text pad present in the collab itself, and then copy it in the collab coding section itself, and then run. So you will see immediately that yes, you are getting the value, that is the one that is presented for the mean value for those numbers. So you can calculate and you can see it will be coming up the same thing. So this is the how you're going to run the code for calculating mean exclusively for the positive numbers. So let me come back with the other video wherein we will see how to run the program if there are negative numbers. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.